Just got my new boat trailer jack delivered, and our old one is completely rusted out, so we're going to be replacing this with this guy. Just show you how to do it real quick and see if it's any good. So the reason we like this jack is it does have a 2,000-pound lift capacity, which is going to be plenty for the pontoon boat. It has a 300-hour salt spray rating, which we're in brackish and salt water, so that's very important around here. It gives you a 1-year warranty, and it's got the 12 inches of travel, which I need to get this on the truck. So let's get it unboxed and get it installed. Okay, so this is unboxed. This is everything you get. You get 2 6-inch diameter wheels, which is awesome, better than the one we have, and all the hardware to put it together. So let me get it installed. So all this is way more robust than the one we have stock on the trailer. Bigger wheels, bigger tube, so I'm very happy with this so far. So depending on the frame of your trailer, this is universal. It's got a ton of holes for your bolts. This is a 4-inch tube frame, so just measure your boat trailer, make sure it works, but it is very universal. All right, so we got the new one on. This is the old one, so you can definitely see the quality difference. We're gonna get rid of this. But as far as this guy goes, it took about 15 minutes. Just prop up the tongue, whether you put it on your truck or we use the jack, get the old one off, bolt the new one on. Very universal. It's got the heavy duty style wheels here, double wheels. It's got a Zerk fitting here to grease it up, and when you're traveling, you can put it up out of the way. So all in all, I mean, this unit, very clean looking, and I wish the boat came with it originally, but here we are, got it all set, and I'm super impressed with it.